blown away by the intensity of the theme, the sincerity of purpose, and the performances. All of you are absolutely brilliant.
Thank you so much.
But you
that's
have been
wonderful.
brilliant for quite a while now. और अब जिन लोगों को शक है या नहीं पता उनको बता दूं, you're all of 16 years old.
Yes, I'm 16.
You're 16 years old और आप 2021 से you're on television from the age of what 12 साल से. And ऐसा नहीं है कि 12 साल से कोई hidden characters थे या you were always prominent even from the first supporting act. लेकिन फिर Maire happened. It's such a difficult word to say. Maire happened. And it just, your career I think took off with that.
I think that was a very vital point in my career, and to be working with Meesam Bhai again, Meesam Naqvi, the director of Mairi and Parvarish, जब आप उनके अंडर काम करते हो ना तो आपका काम अच्छा ही निकलता है. That's why I take pride in working with him. I take pride in my projects. हर project अच्छा होता है, हर project पे मेहनत जाती है सबकी. लेकिन जब मीसम भाई के साथ आप काम कर रहे होते हो ना तो आप एक एक्टर से हटके एक आर्टिस्ट फील करते हो अपने अंदर भी. वो जो आपको ब्रीफ देते इट फील्स लाइक अ चैलेंज. एंड मायरी वाज the biggest point in my career. It was the turning point in my career, and I will forever be grateful to Meesam Bhai because he gave me the opportunity.
Yeah, absolutely.
He keeps giving me the opportunity to prove myself, and to this day I don't see in myself what he sees in me.
We'll come to casting choices because Mairi was also very controversial. And,
yes.
वो भी था. And even now with Parvarish is not controversial at all. लेकिन बड़े सीरियस कैरेक्टर्स हैं ये.
Yes.
और है ना, मुझे याद है 16 मतलब मेरे जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता था सुबह उठ के स्कूल जाना. So I mean how you're doing it is so it is absolutely amazing. First take me a little bit back into your life. You're 16 years old. You're still going to school.
Yes, I'm still going to school.
पढ़ रहे हो अभी भी?
जी मैं पढ़ रही हूँ.
You're here. Your parents are here in Karachi.
I just gave my CIEs.
Well done.
Thank you. और उर्दू का पेपर क्या था मुझे अभी तक समझ नहीं आया.
ठीक है, उर्दू का पेपर हमेशा कभी किसी को समझ नहीं आया.
There was a summary in my paper and I was just like, oh my god, what?
गो के स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के उर्दू तो बहुत अच्छी हो गई.
नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
ओके, लेकिन ये मतलब है कि ये कैसे हो रहा है? 2 ड्रामे चल रहे हैं, एक में तो डबल रोल है, which is cannot be easy at any way.
It was not easy.
तो ये क्या रूटीन है? What is the dynamic personal life की with your professional life? पहले तो tell me a little bit about that.
I mean, it's, a lot of people on social media are like, oh my god, she's being exploited, which is not the
Child
case.
labor.
Yeah, which is not the case at all. मतलब my parents are always like, कि अगर तुम्हें काम नहीं करना है तो it's okay, you don't have to work. Like ये तुम first place में भी इसलिए करियो because you like it.
Yeah.
We never forced you. And I just love my craft so much. And I don't think कि किसी लैंग्वेज में किसी डिक्शनरी में वो वर्ड है जो डिस्क्राइब कर सकता है व्हाट आई फील फॉर एक्टिंग.
Where is that love coming from?
I don't know. It's just the ability to portray characters, to see them coming to life, and being worthy enough to come on screen again and again and portray different lives and do justice to them is such a blessing for me. And I'm going a little bit off topic with the question, but
no, not at all.
I love what I do. Like, I love it. I love it with every being in me, with every ounce in me. Or the fame, the money, it's a secondary thing for me. What matters is me not letting the characters down. No matter who it is. If I am going to portray them, I will do my best. I don't care if it's a lead, if it's a supporting role, if it's the main lead. I want the character in front of me, if they were alive, to say that I'm proud of you. You portrayed my story in such a good light, and I'm that was me. I felt relatable. So it's, first of all, it's not, my parents are not exploiting me. I love what I do. This is this is a passion of mine, and I want to be worthy enough to continue this for the rest of my life. But it is a little bit difficult. Obviously, at times, जैसे मेरे अभी CIEs हो रहे थे, तो सारी चीजें थी, तो मैंने थोड़े दिन का ब्रेक लिया था. ताकि मैं पढ़ सकूं, तो मैं पहले से ही ना अपना स्केड्यूल, एक ये टाइम मैनेजमेंट करनी पड़ती है बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली
I can imagine.
कि 2 हफ्ते अगर ये है तो फिर मुझे 1 हफ्ते का ऑफ लेना है बिकॉज आई नीड टू डू दिस, आई नीड टू डू दैट. तो वो ऑब्वियसली इट इज अ लिटिल बिट डिफिकल्ट, लेकिन आप देखें मेहनत रंग ला रही है, अभी मैं आपके सामने बैठी हुई हूँ, पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मी, इट्स एन ऑनर, यू नो, it's great, like I'm proud of myself.
Were you always this mature?
I hope so. I mean, I've heard it a lot.
You'd like to think so. Always this mature कि हाँ, because एक certain level की maturity चाहिए होती है, या एक certain level की recklessness चाहिए होती है कि आप सब कुछ दे दें, है ना, performance को सब कुछ दे दें.
I think my parents have not, like I'm a very pampered child, लेकिन
Are you an only child? क्या?
No, I have 2 siblings.
Okay.
तो मेरी सबसे बड़ी बहन है, she is an engineer,
Okay.
a software engineer. She just graduated, and then my brother is in finance. He's still studying. वो भी अभी university में. And then I'm there, who is just starting her O levels.
हाँ.
So I am a very, because I'm the youngest, I am a very pampered child, but my parents always gave me the opportunity to interact, to handle stuff on my own. I think that's why I'm a little bit mature. I think I would say that's the reason why.
I think inbuilt होती है, maturity inbuilt होती है थोड़ी बहुत. But were you like acting in school dramas? Were you
Yes.
reading a lot of theatre?
Oh, I
या
read
किधर
a
से वो
lot.
passion किधर से आ रहा था? और माँ बाप के लिए how was this okay with them? Because it's not an easy field to be in.
Exactly, it's not an easy
and
field to be
what
in
do your
at all.
parents do? And you know, I'm just trying to understand where all this passion
So
is
my
coming
mom is a full-time, my mom, because
Now
she's always
full-time.
with me.
Yes, now
She's
she doesn't have a
always-
choice.
She's always with me because I'm pretty young right now. Until 18, I also don't feel comfortable going on sets alone.
Right.
तो मामा मेरे साथ होती हैं, तो अभी 2 साल तक तो उनकी जॉब सिक्योर है, वो मेरे साथ हैं. And then my dad has a showroom of
अम्मियों
cars.
की जॉब कभी खत्म नहीं होती.
Yes.
वो lifetime
ये
security.
भी है, exactly.
It's not
तो-
going to end in 2 years. Yeah.
So my mama is always with me. My dad has a showroom of cars.
Okay.
That's what he does. And my siblings are still studying. Well, my sister has a job now. My brother is still studying. So that's that. That's my family.
Are you driving dad's cars? Like, are you driving?
No,
yet?
I'm not legally allowed to.
16 पे या नहीं मिलता
Yeah,
license?
नहीं, 18 पे मिलता है.
मिलता है.
And I think I will be a very reckless driver, so my dad doesn't give me any of his cars.
सही कह रहे हैं. They know you better.
Yeah, they're
They
like,
know
नहीं,
you
अभी
better.
driving तो बिल्कुल. I'm like, मुझे सिखा दें कम से कम, ताकि 18 तक मैं like 1 हफ्ते में, जब मेरी बर्थडे होगी ना, 1 हफ्ते में मैं ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस ले लूँ. नहीं भाई, अभी मैं नहीं दे रहा तुम्हें कोई अपनी गाड़ी में. That's so bad, you know. I'm going to be under supervision. I'm going to get a trainer and everything, but he doesn't trust me.
हाँ. So you have jumped full on, head on into acting.
Yes.
And you want to pursue this as a career now. And you started so young. And पहला सवाल तो मेरा ये कि why are you doing 2 dramas at the same time? या उसका शूट हो चुका है?
उसका शूट हो चुका था.
जुड़वा का हो चुका था.
जुड़वा का
Because
शूट
मुझे तो
हो
देख
चुका
के
था.
घबराहट होती है कि 3 characters because
Yeah,
दो और
वो तो हम जुड़वा का शूट हो चुका था.
हाँ.
फिर I came on the set of परवरिश.
Okay.
मतलब I was fully done with जुड़वा and then I started shooting परवरिश. So there was for me, मुझे नहीं पता था कि दोनों ड्रामे एक साथ आएंगे. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था क्योंकि शूटिंग वाइज जुड़वा मैंने पहले शूट किया था, तो आई थॉट कि जुड़वा पहले स्क्रीन पे आएगा एंड देन परवरिश. बट ऑब्वियसली डेट्स वगैरह वो हुई थी, तो फिर वो दोनों एक साथ आ रहे
दोनों
हैं.
एक साथ. Is that good or bad?
I don't mind.
Right.
Like I मैं उसको टेक्निकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नहीं सोच रही, बिकॉज वो दोनों ड्रामे मुझे मेरे दिल के इतने करीब हैं.
हाँ.
मतलब you know, with the cast, with the team, I was so close with both of them that I don't mind. You know, it's not like one is putting my image down or something like that. They're very different from one another. All 3 of my characters are very different. So I think it's not a bad thing particularly,
Right.
but yeah, that's that. Like I don't mind.
You don't mind?
Yeah, I don't mind.
ठीक है. I mean, they're both doing extremely well.
Yeah, and people are liking it. The 3 characters are very different, and the premise is very different.
Very different.
From one another. Like बिल्कुल ही जुड़वा और परवरिश में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. तो it's like I don't mind.
You don't mind it.
Yeah.
And I can sense the passion here. I can sense the passion here. मुझे ये बताओ कि is Anna Asif now a bankable star that people are coming to you with scripts and all that, because mashallah se you've had a series of hits now. तो ऐसा अब लग रहा है that you've kind of arrived, वो arrival हो गया है, or is this something you're still striving for?
Yeah, I don't think I'll ever get there.
There तो बहुत दूर है, लेकिन there where
लेकिन
you are,
फिर भी
you
I
have
feel
scripts
like
to choose from.
Stardom एक अलग चीज़ है. Me being an artist, it's a very different thing. I don't even think about me being a star. I just want to produce good work. That's my goal.
Stardom की
you
तो
know?
बात ही नहीं कर रहे. मतलब scripts की choices आ रही हैं,
Yes.
आ रही हैं. So how are you choosing your character? और कौन script पढ़ता है? You reading? Is your mother reading?
I think both of us.
Both of you
हाँ,
reading.
मम्मा भी पढ़ती है, मैं भी पढ़ती हूँ, because obviously मम्मा
उर्दू में?
मम्मा और बहुत मुश्किल से मत पूछो, मम्मा और पापा की ऑब्वियसली अप्रूवल मेरे लिए भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
हाँ.
तो इफ दे आर नॉट ओके विद समथिंग आई एम आल्सो नॉट ओके विद इट. सेम वाइस वर्सा, इफ आई एम नॉट ओके विद इट दे आर आल्सो नॉट ओके विद इट. तो हम लाइक 3 कलेक्टिव पार्टी है, वो हम तीनों स्क्रिप्ट्स डिस्कस करते हैं कि मेरे लिए क्या बेहतर है, क्या अप्रोप्रिएट है
Right.
रिगार्डिंग माय एज एंड एवरीथिंग.
Right.
तो